Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Rajesh Jha. The reason I belongs from the chartered accountancy background, and today I have seen the press conference of Honorable Chairman Reserve Bank of India, Mr. Shaktikant Das ji. He has explained about the financial position of the country. That he said the GDP growth rate is 1.9% at present, which is bit of stable because it is best among the G20 countries, among the all 20 countries of the world. And he has explained that 50,000 crores contribution has been given to 25,000 crores to National Agricultural Rural Development Bank of India, 15,000 crore to SIDBI, and 10,000 crores to NHB, National Housing Board, to just make the flow of liquidity among the different sectors. He has explained that the banking system is working quite well, and for the customers 91% of the ATM are working throughout the day. Due to this crisis, all the business units are breakdown right now. It's not working, and most of the production units not working, so that the GDP growth is coming down. But when it will start after the COVID-19 crisis, maybe expected after May, June, the GDP growth rate in the next time it will come 7.4%, which is quite better. So it is needed for us to keep up patience right now. We are very thankful to our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji, who has taken decision to create the lockdown 1 and lockdown 2. It is very much needed for the country. To all the citizens of our country must step inside the home to fight against this corona disease. This is the only option available with us to fight with the corona disease. Otherwise, it could be better, most worst position like America and European countries. So we are in the comfortable position. All the state government and the central government is working very good. We are very thankful to the doctors, nurses, policemen. They are also working very good to control each and everything. So now we should keep patience, stay for a few more days in the home, and hopefully in next few days or few weeks we are going to start again, and jointly we will work together for the betterment of ourselves, betterment for the family, society, and betterment of the country. And the India will come, definitely the India will come a superpower in the coming few years. So very thank you to all, and thank you to all the citizens, doctors, policemen, nurses, and all the citizens of India. Thank you very much.